Hey there! Ever wondered how customer relationship management, or CRM, actually functions in the business world? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts of CRM systems and how they can transform your business. Firstly, CRM systems are much more than just software. They are powerful tools that help businesses understand, anticipate, and respond to their customers' needs in a consistent way. Think of a CRM as your business's memory and social skills all rolled into one. So how does it work? At its core, CRM revolves around data, heaps of it. From the moment a potential customer makes contact, whether through your website, an email, or even a phone call, the CRM system springs into action. It captures every interaction, every preference, and every little detail that can give you insights into your customer's journey. Now imagine being able to track every interaction with a customer across your entire team. Sales, marketing, and customer service all have access to the same information in real time. This means no more silos or missed opportunities. When your marketing team knows what your customers are buying, they can craft more targeted campaigns. When sales has access to a customer's service history, they can anticipate needs and cross-sell more effectively. But it doesn't stop there. Advanced CRM systems use this data to generate reports and analytics. Want to know which marketing campaign brought in the most leads? CRM can tell you. Curious about your sales forecast for the next quarter? Yep, CRM has got that covered too. One of the biggest misconceptions about CRM is that it's only for the big players. That's not true. Small businesses can reap massive benefits from a tailored CRM strategy. It's all about enhancing customer relationships, streamlining processes, and ultimately boosting your bottom line. To sum it up, a CRM system doesn't just manage your customer relationships, it enhances them. It provides actionable insights and a 360-degree view of each customer, which leads to better service, improved products, and a more successful business. If you're looking to implement a CRM system or just want to improve your current one, remember, the goal is to make your business more connected, more efficient, and more customer-focused. And with the right CRM, that's exactly what you'll get. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Try free state-of-the-art CRM system designed to streamline your marketing efforts, enhance customer engagement, and drive measurable results. Link in description below. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.